Back to the charts of Big Boss Crypto, and today we got huge news regarding Chainlink being confirmed today that they're being partnered with IBM, Corda, Mastercard, and Vodafone, big companies, with something called Digital Asset Broker. And we'll go through what that's all about and why that's super bullish for Chainlink. And also, we'll take a look at a super interesting clip right here from a podcast with the blockchain lead saying that they will soon launch 160 million assets on the platform, making it the largest protocol out there. And it being powered by Chainlink is super bullish. So, without further ado, let's look at the charts. All right, as you can see right here, we're on this website called digitalassetbroker.com. And as you can see right here, Digital as a Broker by Vodafone, their mission is to create the world's biggest trusted device ecosystem and open it for business. And as you can see right here, it's a Flash website. Basically, it's all about the fourth industrial revolution, Internet of Things, blockchain, stuff like that. You know, those big buzzwords. And yeah, as you can see in the presentation, this is basically powered by smart contracts, with smart contracts being the key in order for basically this technology to work and to basically build a more trustful society, basically, and so we don't have to rely on middlemen with God knows what intentions they have. So if we scroll further down, we can see they have big goals right there with 50 billion connected devices expected to be connected worldwide by 2025. Machines transact securely. As you can see, machine transact securely and autonomously 24/7. Imagine a world where devices don't just connect but transact. Devices create new revenue streams rather than gradually losing value, and that machine-to-machine business models connect industries and geographies. So these are basically all these points are basically huge goals that they have, and it's not possible without the Chainlink technology with the CCP. And basically, in order to make these machines connect to each other, talk to each other, and basically make the technology work. And if we scroll further down, creating the economy of things with digital asset broker that by 2025, IoT forecasts estimate an economic impact of up to 12.6 trillion dollars. Wow, huge number. To support autonomous machine to machine transactions, the industry must overcome a lack of trust, high costs, and technology fragmentation. And that's what we have said many times on this channel, with Chainlink being the key to overcome this lack of trust and overcome the cost of high fees and technology fragmentation. As basically, we need the CCP protocol to basically create a more trustful society, basically. And as you see the points right here, machines interact with each other anytime, anywhere. That their platform allows devices across multiple ecosystems to connect and conduct trusted interactions and payment autonomously, fast and affordable developer infrastructure, and secure authentication and transaction. And as you see right here, the technology. And it consists of wallets, basically with stored payment methods authorizing devices to conduct transactions independently. And then the passport, smart contracts, which is the big point right here where Chainlink focuses. Support automated interactions between devices without human intervention, which will basically revolutionize everything we do in life. And also final blockchains, which assures data integrity by preventing manipulation of records and transactions. Yeah, and if you scroll further down, they have all kinds of solutions with automation solutions, pay-per-use financing, cold chain monitoring, with basically monitoring temperatures for when transporting different products, and also transparency with supply chain, which is super important and relevant these days, especially with the recent challenges we have had in supply chains. And finally, if you scroll all the way down here, we can see who's powering all of this, who's powering the revolution in society and basically fourth industrial revolution. As you can see right here, we got MasterCard, Corda, Tara Consult Services, IBM, and finally the top dog, Chainlink, right here. So this is huge, truly huge. And also, like I said in the intro, we got an interesting clip from a podcast right here. Shout out to this guy called Ardian on Twitter right here, saying huge updates from Vodafone Group, the Economy of Things platform built in collaboration. The blockchain lead Vodafone saying that we will soon launch 160 million assets on the platform, making it the largest protocol out there. Let's take a listen at what they said.
Sort of customer or user side or device side, Of course, we start with the 160 million devices that we already have, and I think that's one of the advantages is that you can kickstart the ecosystem with that, and it makes us automatically one of the largest protocols out there. But also, we're working with a lot of companies in the sort of automotive, energy, and healthcare sectors as well. Some of the announcements will start to come out, but over the coming months. But there's some really exciting things that will come to light. And also, I think it's important to say as well. I mean, I've emphasized the SIM card and our right to play because we've linked SIM to blockchain. And incidentally, I posted on this a while back. But Alex,
Exciting, right? And this is what we talked about many, many times on this channel right here, with the fourth industrial revolution looming and Chainlink being the number one coin potentially in the future without a shadow of a doubt. And as you can see right here, as Klaus Schwab, the CEO and basically chairman of the World Economic Forum, said himself, the smartcontracts.com, the previous name for Chainlink, provides programmable contracts that do payouts between two parties once certain criteria have been met without involving a middleman, and basically has been super bullish on Chainlink ever way back, ever since 2016, I believe, roughly. So yeah, Klaus Schwab definitely wants Chainlink to succeed, which we have covered in depth with our video right here, which you can see on top of the screen right here, called "Why Klaus Schwab Loves Chainlink." And without going into ethics, if it's really a good agenda or not, and stuff like that, at the end of the day, we only care to make money as investors, and basically that's my personal goal, and this is not financial advice. I mean, regardless of my personal beliefs or your personal beliefs, as investors, I personally want to make the best potential return on my investment and basically secure my future. But anyway, as you can see right here with Chainlink, it's as you can see right here on this amazing infographic, the gateway for enterprise blockchain adoption. It's yeah, you can see right here, Chainlink is the future, and as we saw on the Vodafone presentation, on the website, and basically what you said on the podcast, we will definitely see Chainlink scale in the upcoming years to become easily the number one coin in the future. That's all for me. Thank you so much for your time. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, or leave a dislike if you didn't. Please note, once again, this is not financial or investment advice. This is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is Big Boss Crypto, the realest of the real of crypto YouTubers. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Big Boss out.